is a guide on how to replace chemicals on the LXn or LXGN series dish machine. Before handling dish machine chemicals, always use personal protective equipment, including appropriate gloves and eye protection, and follow the chemical supplier instructions for handling. When the machine is out of detergent, rinse aid, or sanitizer, a notification and an exclamation mark will appear. Replace the empty chemical bottle and place the delivery tube in the new chemical container. The red delivery tube goes in the detergent container. The blue delivery tube goes in the rinse aid container. Note: rinse aid sensing and notification must be enabled in the Manager menu. To enable rinse aid, access the Manager menu. Enter the Manager menu code 1001 and press Enter. Scroll down to Enable Rinse Aid and press Enter. Scroll to Enable and press Enter. Rinse Aid has been enabled on your machine. The machine will now sense Rinse Aid and notify you when Rinse Aid is low. Press back to exit Enable Rinse Aid and Manager menu until Ready screen is displayed. On the LXnC chemical sanitizing unit, the white delivery tube goes in the sanitizer container. For Advances models which are equipped with an automatic deliming system, the black delivery tube goes in the delimer container. Note: no low chemical notification is available for delimer. Be sure to push the delivery tube standpipes completely to the bottom of each container. Check to make sure there are no obstructions or kinks in the delivery tubes. When using chemical bottles with automatic dispensing caps, make sure the cap is tightly secured to the bottle. Press the Enter button and the machine will automatically start priming.